Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about identifying weeds in the lawn. This is one of the things that a lot of people struggle with and really needs to be the first step in trying to control any kind of weeds in your lawn. If you don't properly identify these weeds, then what you're going to find is you're going to make applications with herbicides that probably will not give you near any good results. So to save yourself some time, save yourself some money, figure out what weeds you have in your landscape first before you go ahead and treat them. Today I'm going to show you a free smartphone app called PictureThis, and it's going to help us take a picture of some of the weeds that are in my lawn back here before I treat them. Now, some of the weeds that you might have in your lawn and landscape are a lot more easy to identify, like dandelion with a really characteristic yellow flower. But something like this might not be so easy to identify. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and download the PictureThis app, and then we're going to go ahead and choose identify. Once we choose identify, we're just going to go ahead and take a picture of the weed that we're trying to identify. It'll take just a couple of seconds to identify it, and right there we've got chickweed. Another really common question that comes up all the time is, what are these seed heads in my lawn? This Poa annua, this Poa trivialis. So you can actually scan these as well, and it should give you an idea based off of the seed head to know that, oh great, annual bluegrass is what I'm dealing with in my lawn here. Here's another common one that a lot of people deal with. Some people think it's creeping Charlie, some people think it's oxalis, but what it really is common violet. So this is wild violet. One of the cool things about this app is the more that you use it and other people use it, it learns over time. Download this free app and get a crystal clear understanding of what weeds you have in your lawn. And then you can do some Google searching or YouTube searching online to find out what kinds of herbicides control the ones that are in your yard. And you'll save yourself time, money, and frustration by not buying the wrong stuff and not having to apply something multiple times because it's not good at controlling something. I'll leave some information down in the description about this really helpful app, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.